want to talk and stuff?
Yeah, go ahead. Say what you have to say.
No, you can keep talking.
Oh, I'm done. That's all I have to say.
I am a fan of Hooked on Phonics, which we have a box. So we are gonna unhook the Phonics box and we can show you a little about it. And we can tell you a little about it. We are going to open the box now.
Okay, so this comes with a lot of bonus stickers.
And
Flashcards.
flashcards. Let me take it out. Okay.
These are the first couple of workbooks in their Learn to Read series. So the first ones that I received were we are on to the Learn to Read. This is workbooks 1 through 6. Here's a glimpse at what some of the pages look like. And I love that they're also lightweight and thin, right?
This is just plain paper.
In the green file, some more workbooks and stories. These look like a little bit more advanced books. Yeah. They're thin, lightweight. You could bring these with you anywhere, the car, restaurant.
Boat.
Boat, we've done that.
Yep, a lot of times, like a million. Can't even say it. So much.
This is from step 7 all the way through 12.
Yep.
3 more workbooks. Also,
And you want to see the top what it looks like? This is the top what it looks like.
it's really cute. These are focusing on vowel sounds, blending sounds, recognizing sight words, and reading with purpose and understanding. This is steps 13 through 18. They just continue to get more advanced based on the reading level of your child. This is learning consonants and blends, more sight words, larger sight words, and demonstrating text comprehension. That come along with it.
Yep.
And what to do with them.
Orange.
Orange, let's get to it.
Let's get to orange.
More stories and more steps. This goes through steps 24. And here we are seeing 2-syllable words and vowel pairs.
We are seeing this one too. This is a book about this, whatever it is.
This one's called Chick Chick, the Ping Pong Champ.
Ping pong champ.
Yes, and also on the back of the book it shows you which workbook goes with which story.
And the Hooked on Phonics.
So that you can reinforce the skills that you learned in the workbook. So then this is the 3 workbooks that come in the red set. This goes through step 30 and more books to go along with these workbooks. Well, thank you, Hooked on Phonics, for sending us this amazing box of goodies.